Hello everyone, my name is João Ceitil and I am the Head of HR Consulting in CEGOC, Portugal. In the next October 31st, I will be in the Business Transformation Summit at LxFactory, leading the acceleration workshop about Agile HR. The Agile movement is bringing a new mindset for HR, and in this workshop we will give you the opportunity to experience how the 4 values of the Agile Manifesto can be applied to your HR function. More than a methodology, Agile is a new mindset that helps us getting better results and more engaged people by simplifying and uniting individuals, teams, and leaders across the entire organization. Come and join us at the Business Transformation Summit to discover how Agile is your HR and how to accelerate your results with your team.